For this video, we're going to take a look at the admin section. Let's go ahead and go in by selecting Setup and selecting Status. From this window, you can see all current statuses that we have in Workflow. In this status window, we have the status name, the status sort order showing where it will place in the static options on the tracking station, the is required checkbox meaning whether or not it is required to be checked in order to make a new sales order or estimate number, the action column allowing you to edit and add new statuses, and the delete column allowing you to delete statuses. Let's go ahead and create a new one at the very bottom by typing in what we want the status to be called. In this instance, we'll type in signs. Following the name, we'll determine where we want it to be placed in the sort order of the statuses. So we'll go ahead and determine that it wants to be above apparel. So we'll type in 2. This will place it just above apparel in the sort order of the statuses. Then we'll check to see if we want it required, which we don't, and then we'll hit Add New. This will create the new status. And now if we return to the tracking station, we can see signs is just above apparel in this sort order. Next, we're going to take a look at the customized color boxes for your store. From this window, you can create the customized color boxes that you will use in your store. We have the color name, the color code, the is disabled checkbox, the color name column showing all color names, the color column showing all current colors, the is disabled column showing all enabled or disabled colors, and finally the edit column giving you the ability to edit each color. Let's go ahead and create a new color. We'll do purple sublimation. Then we'll select our color code, which will be purple. Finally, we will hit Save Document. This will create a brand new color for our store to use. Please remember, these colors can be completely customized to what your store needs. For instance, you can have it listed underneath sublimation, underneath a particular person, or as in a storage location. The final button we have is the New Document. This will erase everything that we currently have pulled up and create a new color. Now we're going to take a look at the Settings window. The Settings window is where you can view and edit all current queues that you have. We can see the statuses and the queues on this window. We can go in and edit each individual queue by going to the pencil icon on the far right. Let's go ahead and edit new orders so it shows waiting and engraving as well as new orders. By hitting the pencil and then checking waiting and engraving and then hitting Save Document, that'll allow us to see waiting and engraving in the new orders queue. Next, we're going to take a look at the User Management window. In the User Management window, you can edit and add users as you see fit. We can see all the current users we have, and we can go ahead and add one. We'll go ahead and type in the user's full name, which in this instance we're going to make a showroom user. Then we'll type in the user name, which will just be showroom. Then we'll select what we want them to see. So we'll select everything in home. We have the business tab next. This will allow them to view, edit, add, and delete orders. We don't want them to delete, so we'll select everything but delete. The last tab we have is the Setup tab. This is all admin privileges to be able to change things in Workflow. We want to make sure that we don't select anything so they can't go in and change or edit any other users. You should only have the admin or the person that looks over and is in charge of all Workflow matters have admin privileges. Now that we've set all the permissions, we'll have the user type in their password. Once they've typed in the password, we'll hit Save Record. This will create the new user at the bottom of the user list. If we need to edit or change any permissions at any time, we can hit the pencil icon on the right of the user name. Thank you for choosing Crown Workflow. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us at contact@crownworkflow.com. Thank you.